Yo, kamusta? Yel Oropesa po at nagbabalik! Okay. So, ayan, nag-vlog naman tayo. Ilang beses na ba ako nagbabalik? Tapos nawawala. Tapos nagbabalik. Anyways, so here we go. Again, ito ang pinaka-first comeback vlog ko. Basically, brief background, nagpatawag si Erwan Yusuf ng parang apprentice niya, ng cooking apprentice, whatever, for a TV show. And I think parang 1 day or 2 days lang pwedeng mag-apply. So, napakabilis. And I just wanted to show you. Hindi ko lang mahanap pa yung poster. Kung nahanap ko yung poster, nandito siya. Kung wala, hindi nyo nakita. Pero, ayun. I'm excited to show you kasi nakakatawa to and never ko siyang re-release. Sa talagang parang bilang lang sa kamay yung may alam neto. So, I wanted you to watch it. Enjoy!
Good morning, Erwan. Let me tell you why I am perfect for the job of your sidekick and why I am perfect, period. First, hindi naman ako nag-highlight, hindi ako nag-contour, hindi ako nag-red lipsticks, hindi ako nag-kulot, at hindi ako nag-animal print for nothing. I don't do anything half-assed. So kung makikita mo, I am always prepared for everything. And second, I am multi-talented. I can sing. I can dance.
It really hurts ang magmahal ng ganito. Kung sino pang pinili kong hindi makuha ng buo.
And most especially, I can cook. Sa sobrang galing ko magluto, gumawa ako ng series sa Instagram ko. Dahil paano ba naman hindi sasarap ang linuto ko kung ako mismo masarap na. So ang series ko ay tinatawag na #nagluluto pala si Yel. Behind the scenes of nagluluto pala si Yel. Protection first. Choose me, I'm the best. Yes, I do the cooking. Yes, I do the cleaning. I am perfect. Please hire me. Please. I'll wait for your email. Thank you.
Oh, diba talaga naman? Alright, that was, I think, hindi ko maalala, 2020 siguro. Yeah, I think 2020. And yun, I'm just so excited to announce that I'll be back in vlogging officially and permanently. So, follow me on all social media platforms. Watch my vlogs. I'm excited. Let's just start this thing, bitch. Wow, pwede ko ba sabihin? Let's just start. Wala palang magandang effect. Alright. So yeah, follow me on all social media platforms. Like, comment, subscribe on this YouTube channel. And see you guys for the next video. Bye!